Mukula Mudra. Weak hand. Place the 4 fingers on your thumbs and put your fingertips on the part of your body that needs more energy. Do this with each hand. This energy-giving and relaxing mudra is placed on the organ or body part that hurts or that feels weak or tense. This is like directing a laser ray of regenerating energy to the respective body part or organ that needs healing. For treatment of the lungs, visualize the color white for the liver and gallbladder, green for the stomach, spleen, and pancreas. Use yellow, use red for the heart or small intestine, use blue for the kidneys and bladder. Affirmation. Dirt out, power in.